Audio. G'day from WA. How are yous? You like me Mexican blanket? Alright, it's for your steering wheel. Whoop whoop, mate. It's an FB. FB Holden. The best. Now I plan to paint it pink with white pinstripes. That's the plan. Alright. Yeah. The floor's a bit rusty. Used Frederick Flintstone. But that's alright, it'll buff out. Alright, I've got most of the trim. Most of the doors are all good. Well, I'll just take this off here. I've had a few thieves and shit. But, you know, you get that. So, but, you know, it should be right from now on. I'm prepared. So, actually I'm here. That's the main thing. Right. So, yeah, that'll be alright. I'll buff out too. Right, so, currently, it might need some wheels. But, you know, there's a little bit of bulk work there, so I might need a whole new panel there. Like, I need a new panel here. I need a section of that. That's a bit naked. Windows. I need some windows. The back's pretty good. Pretty happy with the back. I reckon I'll get away with that. There's a lot of rust around those bottom doors. Around here, as you can see, a bit of rust there, a bit of rust in that door. So new floor, rust, front door panels, windows. And then I think I just want like a 138 with a sleek gearbox and just do some magic diff work because this will be a bit knackered. But otherwise, just, you know, set of tyres, good to go. Right, disc brakes. So yeah, well, that might add up a little bit. Might add some help. But yeah. So that's about a 1960 FB Holden station wagon, and it's one project.